welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Dr. Squish squishy. So first you need your Dr. Squish squishy maker, of course. So you get your top and then you turn it clockwise until it locks. Then you got your little, I do not know what to call this. I'm just going to call it ball, your little ball, and then you place it, then you put it around your neck. Also, making a squishy isn't as easy as it looks. We are going to be making a DNA ball. I made one already, and I thought maybe we could make another one to improve it. So sometimes it won't blow up as easily. Sometimes it will burst, but you'll have 3 of these balls, and you'll get to watch some videos on YouTube, and you'll actually learn from those videos. That's how I learned how to make squishy. So we first blow it out, just about like that. Then we put our pom-poms in. I'm putting way more than just that. And you can put whatever you want in your squishy maker. I'm just making a DNA ball because I just got a DNA ball and I'm just so excited. Yeah. That. Maybe? Yeah, I need a bigger squishy. And sometimes this happens. So when that little ball that you already blew up, it will kind of like lose its air. That's totally fine. You just blow it up again. Just like that. Then you pour some water. There we go. Now it's time to put some glitter. I'm putting more than one types of glitter. You can put as many as you want. Oopsies. Drop that. Put some hearts. That's a lot. I'm doing green little sparkles and I'm doing hearts. And I thought this blue was really pretty, so let's put it in. Just like that. And let's close that. Now, I thought stars are good, they're plastic, and I've used them before. I just finished that. Put some pink hearts. Some more hearts, just different color. And a different style. Hearts do not want to come out. Okay. After hearts, we're gonna do, lastly, we're gonna do blue stars. Just like that. Now this is the tricky part, which even I need help with. Drop that thing. assistant is just helping me out. Just that. Now you need a twist. Whoopsies. This one's hard. That was unexpected. We can still do it. Done. And then there you go. There's a homemade squishy. Oh, it's so glittery. I love it. If you have a squishy maker, hopefully it doesn't turn out as big as a mess as mine did. Well, I have a big cleanup ahead of me, and if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you already didn't subscribe, do that right now. Bye, see you next video.